guys, what's poppin', what's not stopping? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna address that issue, okay? It been a happen and it's annoying. It's really annoying, okay? So ever since I post a video about the YouTube couples and what happened is like everything I do after that I be a comparison, okay? If I drop a specific video, fans they all over my social media, from my Instagram, my TikTok, everywhere I say because I say that certain girl I do it, that's why I do it. Like, shut up, you're so mad dumb, shut up. Okay, shut up. YouTube is a large platform. If one YouTuber do a specific video and you get a certain amount of views or like, it become trending, and when I say trending, people follow the trend, forget for them views, likes and money. So if me post a video say, oh, the cat run go down the road, and if it do good, every other YouTuber all over the world, US, Canada, UK, everywhere in the world, I gonna start the trend. So if me post a video, guys, that no mean say, where you watching for, Abby? Sure. If me post a specific video, that no mean say because me see that YouTube couple agreed. Shut up. If me post a video, people, if me post a picture, people under my comment I say, I follow me, I follow that person, I follow me, I follow that person. It's just a picture. It's just a picture. And most of ever since that, guys, I be a me I receive be a. And that's why I can't angry because I can. But annoying. Like, seriously. And most of who are comment all of them something here are people who follow me, people who subscribe to me. So if you despise me so much, why follow me just for it? If me not like somebody, best believe to make a block them and move on with my life. Why don't you choose to follow for it? I posted my video yesterday, I tell them the milk story time. Amount of comments left for block. People don't know the comments I talk about who laugh this. Why I want to see Gio and Ken break up. Like, nowhere in my video I did mention them. Which part in my video I mentioned them? That's a story time from high school days. Which part in my video I mentioned them? Huh? Like, seriously. Then somebody else I go say, referring to the same video, you know. Somebody else I go say, you know, I smash her pass, I pass him because I say move there with liquor pitney. So all of a sudden, I smash the liquor pitney. You're dumb, sir? Are you dumb or you intentionally act dumb? Which one is it? Because if you did have sense enough, you would have watched the video and see what me attack. Where you attack? Were you even watch the video before you comment? Did you even watch the video before you comment? Huh? Another person say, well, oh, I need to learn to chat good. I need for this, I need for that. And where you live? Jamaica? Or America? Which way you live? You want me to come on camera twang? Oh, hi guys, my name is Shawna. And this, no, at Jamaica, you're there, part of chat down here, so therefore you understand. If you don't like how me talk, don't watch the video, like click off, it's that simple. Where you watch the video? Where you want me to come on this come twang? Where you not going to take up a camera and do a YouTube channel and twang? Since you have a problem with it. To be a public figure, guys, you have to be mentally strong, emotionally strong, and physically strong. Because of them people in the comments, they are going to say anything just to get to you. And after who attack, sometimes them even have up a profile picture. After who attack bigger insecure in themselves, that's why them can come under your video or your picture and comment on certain things. It's like saying I should talk my truth. And I understand what I say? It's like say when a certain people, certain persons reach an amount of following or amount of subscribers, it's like them can't do nothing wrong. Everybody are human, everybody do things wrong, okay? And once you do me wrong, me go talk about it. So if you don't like, you know, watch my video. You know, despise me so much, but yet still you're not the first one down in the comments. Chill out, guys, chill out, because you look dumb, to be honest. I'm usually go and block you all out when in the comments something stupid, but you know what? I go back yesterday and unblock all of them. Unblock all of them. I usually respond because some people ask how me deal with the hate and I say clap back. I usually respond. But don't just waste some time. So as of now, nothing negative one have to say. No matter how much I think it get to me, guys, I'm not gonna reply to it. Positivity we are dealing with, okay? Positivity. So anything negative when I have to say, save it. As a matter of fact, feel free to leave it down in the comment. Feel free. Probably I'll give a shout out to if I see, because I'm an attention one. Somebody will say, oh, I'm an attention seeker, I'm annoying, I need to come off of YouTube, I need for this, I need for that. If me so much annoying and I'm an attention seeker, why have I a post notification? Why have my video pop up here in the comments? Block me then now? Like, come on, block me then. I don't understand no people. When I real? When I really real? Because I can't be real. And I have so much negative to say. Negative things to say about one person, but at the same time, we know I watch that one person. Guys, I make nobody, I'm telling you, I make nobody stop from doing the love or doing the like or doing the always want to do. You see, if me listen to the hate by family, well, family, friends and fans, if me listen to them hate them, who do they wish family right now? If me make all of the negative energy get to me, who do almost there when me there right now, okay? So, best believe on the hate and motivation, so you can just stop. On the hate and motivation. We Jamaican YouTuber is not the only YouTuber on this YouTube platform. And I say, oh, only Jamaicans bring down other Jamaican this. Shut up. Jamaican YouTuber have less issue. You ever watch some foreign YouTuber? You ever watch them? Nobody. Me not try bring down nobody, because I me only did that for you. Me not try bring down nobody. I never know say talking your facts, meaning say I bring down somebody else. So the somebody if do you wrong and you just take it. Now don't get there when you take it. And then need to think and stop chat shit. Like seriously, think and stop chat shit. Okay?
Most of you down in the comments I chat a bag of foolishness, guys. When I check out to the profile, only be the main one for you text me a bag of paragraph. Oh, Shawna, I love you. You really this and that. Like, yawa. You can't be hot and cold or lukewarm. You gotta be either hot or cold. You have to either hate me or rate me. We not deal with the two-sided thing over here, sir. We not deal with the two-sided thing. So, I don't want to in my comments I chat a bag of foolishness, but yet still in my DMs a big shout out or a big this or a big that. I'm usually follow back. No people say, oh, them not follow me on Instagram because I don't follow back people. Most of you, when I remember the live when I do when I say comment on the Instagram name, I go follow you back and so. Most of you, when you comment on the name, I follow you. When I look, half of the people that will chat foolishness about me. So I'm going to go back and delete it. If you don't go on Instagram right now, you see, I did follow 1,194. I think. Yeah, 1,194. If I go back and look now, it decreased. I unfollow now because I'm not going to give you my time and energy and when I post a picture of me and like it, but at the same time when you hate me. That don't make no sense. That's it. You see, if you don't hate me, leave me alone. Don't watch my videos then. Because I'm not going to stop posting, please, you know. I have my amount of subscribers and supporters that rate me and them I post videos for. Not on. I want to go over to the people that want to like, I want to subscribe to. Leave me come off of my page. And this is the last video I'm going to make both of them. I'm really not going to give you no more time and energy. So I appreciate that video I will not get right now because this is the last video. I'm not going to get bored. Okay? Now have a good day. And I say guys, comment down below and you want to call me. You know when I come, when I do the video I say, what's up guys, what's popping, what's not stopping? I need a name for call you know. Somebody say, and the name with the most comment, the most likes in the comment section. If it sounds good, I can consider it. And something, so comment down below. Some names don't want to be called. And I could see if we can work through that. Okay guys, so do that, subscribe and continue following me on the gram. And let's go, okay? Yeah guys, I just said that don't take it as my mother upset now because let's believe I'm not. But just give one a look at haters the attention you want. Because after this one I ain't gonna get no more. So take all of me right now. Somebody say, oh, I just remember when I somebody say, them can't take me serious, them can't take none of my video, them serious, I'm a fool, I'm a this, I'm a that. Because every video me make me laughing at the video. Are you dumb? Why am I gonna come on camera looking big and sad? Who are gonna watch that? Most of you what I want to take up a phone, I take up a camera and do YouTube and say how I feel. Because most of you in the comments are chat not have the art for do YouTube, not have the art for go public. So leave who have the art for do it now. And just sit down and be entertained now. Nobody not going to watch a video for big and sad and slabby. You have to be yourself. If me come on this being sad, that's what myself, I go for. So I go come on this a laugh. Or when I chew me at all, or when something bad happen, me I laugh about the situation. Because what best to do for more than laugh in a time like this? What best to do? You know, I'm stop because I'm not worth it. I'm not haters, I'm not having true supporters. I'm not haters, I'm not worth it. I'm done giving them a time a day.
That video in the long, me just come on that for say what me I say because so what me I say guys. So make sure you smash the subscribe button if you want to be part of my team. If you rate me, you rock with me, you're a true supporter. Smash the subscribe button guys. Share the video. Share my YouTube page. Follow me on my Instagram guys. I am Shawna with 2 S. Links gonna be down in the description, also on the screen guys. And also comment down below some more video idea. Anything at all I want me can do it. We do it. And hey guys, so that's that.